everyone, welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I'm coming to you with a coastal master bedroom with California design den. Experience the royal living with 100% pure cotton queen size sheets, which are heavyweight, similar to comfy resort sheet sets. The 4-piece luxury set entails a flat top sheet, elastic fitted sheet with a deep pocket, and 2 matching standard pillowcases. These sheets are made with 1,000 threads per square inch, which lends thickness and weight to these sheets. They are finished with a satin weave so you can feel the softness and silkiness every time you lay down to rest. These sheets come in 3 colors: white, gray, and taupe, which you see here. These natural soft fibers and pure cotton are woven together for a premium quality sheet set, which will instantly transform your bedding space. California Design Den brand is rooted in California, where their headquarters exist and their designs begin. Since their beginning as an award-winning sheet factory more than a decade ago, the California Design Den team has prided itself in reliable quality, fair practices, and value. They are driven to deliver top quality bedding at an incredible price. Information about California Design Den and this product will be listed in my description box down below. Now I'm going to share with you my quilted summer comforter set that my hubby and I picked up from And That in Jacksonville, Florida. It is a beautiful quilt that is going to tie my coastal theme together in my room. This quilt is not heavy at all. It is beautiful. It has shells, coral. It's just a beautiful neutral color scheme. How many pillows do you have on your bed? I usually place about 6 or 7 on mine. And now I want to add a few coastal pieces. I don't want to add a whole bunch of knickknacks, just a few touches. I picked up this coral from At Home for $12.99. Love the glass base. It's beautiful. White coral. And I'm going to add it to my nightstand. pairs very well with my Z Gallery box. And on my hubby side, I'm going to add this seahorse that I picked up from Home Centric. And I also have a Z Gallery box on his nightstand. Now I have a love seat in front or at the foot of my bed. I'm not going to put too much on this either. I'm just going to place a beautiful pillow. I have to bring a little bling, and this pillow does that with the coral on it. I'll place it on my love seat, and that's it. I'm going to keep things very, very simple. Now I have a table to the left of this love seat, and I'm going to place this shell here. And this can house remotes for our TV. We also have a fireplace with a remote in our space, so it will house those things. Now let me show you everything pulled together. I would like to thank California Design Den for the opportunity to look at their sheets. They are amazing. They feel good to the skin. And I would like to thank you for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.